Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set ChatGPT conversation as PDF, PNG or any other file format. So first of all, as you can see, we are here on ChatGPT, but what we actually want is we actually want to go to this website right here, which is GitHub, and we want to scroll down, and by the way, we want to download for Windows if you are using Windows, or Mac if you are using Mac, or Linux if you are using Linux. Now I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this. Once you download this app, what this app will do is this app will open up like this. Right here you will need to log into your ChatGPT, and then as you can see, this is exactly as ChatGPT but in the app version. Now what we can do here is we can click on, for example, one of these simple examples, and then click here, and as you can see it will give us an answer. And let's say you want to basically save this conversation as a PDF, PNG or HTML file. What we can do is, as you can see, first it will write out our answer right here. Then here, as you can see, you can go here to the image PDF, or you can click this, as you can see, to export in other stuff like this, for example, or you can export it in PDF. Here as you can see right here, it will open up a PDF right here. You can also do it with image. Write image and then it will open up an image right here, as you can see. Really awesome. So you can do this with a lot of different things, a lot of different obviously commands, but this is how you can save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, PNG or HTML file. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.